What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video where today I'm playing Roblox once again, and we are back on this game called Disaster Island Part 2, guys. See if I've gotten just a little bit better. I most likely haven't because I just got back on playing this game. Last time I played this game, I think I only had like 5 wins when I first started the video. Now I have 9 wins and I'm only level 4 because I leveled up I think twice in the video. This is a new map for me. I don't wait, actually I think we might have been on this map before. Who knows? Well, hopefully you guys just leave in the comment section if you guys like my outfit because I personally like it. It's like me with a tiger tail. I got my orange Supreme on with my Adidas. I got my A1TO mask and I got my monkey. Oh jeez. Ah, bruh, no. Gotta hide behind the crates. No, they move. Oh God. Oh, the bridge is. Oh, jeez. Bridge is broken. Oh my God, I need to go in the water. Ah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Woo. Come on, guys, we can survive this. I believe in my. Oh, jeez. Oh, the lag. Oh, Jesus. That was right behind me. I am not 42 seconds left, guys. Ah, no, 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 no. Oh, that one hit me directly. Jeez, that was what the frick even happened? Nothing even hit me actually, and I still died. I don't get it. If you guys saw anything that hit me, please tell me in the comment section because I did not see anything that hit me. I just randomly died when I had jumped. And we can't die from fall damage in this game. So, I'll just let you guys know that now. We can't die from fall damage. What's oh, we got bazookas, pink bazooka, earnable. How many? Oh, I have a 400, spinning balls. Perks. Trails. Wait, do I have it on? I want to see if I can see myself jumping. Oh, I'm right over there. You guys can't see me. I'm right there. Right there. Jumping now. Right here. Oh, nothing. Jeez. I don't have my trail on. Let's try and put my trail on. Oh, I can't. Oh. Wait, what? Okay, I need to dip then. Dip, 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 dip. Wait, what is it? I didn't even get to see what it was. Ah! Oh! Oh! Jeez! I didn't even last like 5 seconds. Bruh. Yo. I literally didn't even last 5 seconds. What? I just died instantly. I didn't even get to last like 5 seconds. Let's try and trails. Go back to trails again. What's the item that I bought? Equip. Alright. Okay, so it's coming on my butt. That's a little weird, but but just but Don't worry, guys. I'm cold as ice. So let's see if I can walk on this water. Nope. You can't even see my trails in the water. Try and parkour up here. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Can I parkour onto this? Oh, I can. Oh, wait, can you just easily walk up? Oh, you can. Oh, well. Okay, I haven't been around this place before. I didn't even know this place was even here. Okay, this is keep it looking, dude. We can't go in there. See if we have to like find anything. They'll have to go in there. Nope, don't see anything. The only thing I really see in the dark is just me and my ice trails. I really don't see anything else. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one in this game with a trail. Better luck next time, my booho. This dude didn't even last a second. Only lasted 6 seconds, cause that thing like immediately came on to me. That thing spawned in the middle of the map, and I died. There was no way I was gonna survive that anyways. Yo, I look tiny in the water. That's like some real effects right there. Like when you go into the water, you look smaller than you are in real life, or than you already are. Oh, yeah, that's some real effects right there. We're only 7 minutes into the video, and literally, I've died twice already. Alright. Oh wait, didn't I make my character small? Oh, I did. Wow, I forgot. I need to make my character tall again. I mean, I love when my character is tiny like this, but it's a wildfire. Oh no, it's a wildfire. Where's it gonna start at? Oh, oh no, 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 no. Yo, nah, fam. Look at that girl over there. I think she's naked. I don't think she has anything on. This man is trying to be the incredible. Oh no! This man right over here is trying to be the Incredible Hulk, but he's too light. His name is RT Walt. Yeah, RT Walt. And my name is Bone Killer 213. Get with it. Suck my deal. Send me a postcard. Jeez, come on. Jeez, there we go. This is a crazy wildfire. No, come on. We can jump over there and get on top of the tree. Ah. Oh. No, I fell off. Jeez. No, 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 no. If only you could like hit, like stand on top of these, but you can't because they're freaking invisible. Yo, I just had the best idea. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, it has a ladder. Yo, if I could like get on top, come on. Uh, uh. Jesus. Ah, no, 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 no. Woo! That was a close one. I would say stay in the water, but apparently the water kills you if you go into it. If you stay into it for too long, you end up dying. Probably just like, and like the deeper you go, the more faster you die. Okay, I need to go over here. No, you're climbing the wrong side, buddy. You gotta climb up this way. Then climb up this way. Yo. Oh, I did it. Oh, first win of the freaking video, guys. Clap it up. Clap it up. That was my only win of the video. It's probably gonna be my only win of the video because of how long it took me just to win one game. That's literally only just one game. We've only been playing 3 games this whole entire time. Hopefully I can win this next one before the video has to end. Oh my goodness. Let's see what else we can buy. I have 263. Oh, come on. Oh, this is a new one. I haven't been on this one. There's a lighthouse in this. I might go up that lighthouse and explore it a little bit. Oh, what's that? Where am I? I'm right over there, guys, if you can't see me. Oh, you guys. Oh, yeah, the tree just blocked my view so you guys couldn't see me. That's lit. Alright, let's see what this is. It's a mystery disaster? Are you joking? It's a volcano. It's the volcano. It's obvious. The volcano's right there. It's the volcano. What the frick? It's just like a round when you can just automatically win. Oh, no. No, I'm gonna die. Yo. That's such bullcrap. Bruh, how am I supposed to survive that? Okay, I survived. I think I survived it last video. I don't know if there was a flood one in the last video, but I'm pretty sure. I think if it wasn't in the video last time I did a flood one, it actually told us that it was a flood, so I won that one. So because I went to high ground. That's such bull. Why would they have better luck next time, my booho? Alright, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.